Hi, I'm William from CYBERTRUCKco, and today I'm going to be showing you the absolute brightest lights you can put on your Cybertruck. LP9's Pro. Now this kit will include everything you need, but we recommend setting up the lights in this format here, which is basically 3.5 inches from the edge, 12 3/4 for the second one, and 21 5/8 for the center ones. And just play around so you get them where you want. Now the wiring will all be pre-made, so you'll just plug and play and get this mounted to your truck. In preparation for the install, I've put this foam pad up here, and you've seen our other videos on how to remove this cover and the nut that comes there. Go ahead and discard that, and you're gonna need a 10mm to get this on here. So this thing's pretty heavy. You'll have somebody help you is best. Now with the help of a friend, get this thing into place. Here, should I drop in? Okay, cool. Now we're just gonna secure this to the car. We got our 10mm socket, drive ratchet with an Allen for those, and we got a sharp object to guide the nuts into place, like that. Okay, let's go plug it in. If you find that your socket is not fitting in here because the stud is to one side, go ahead and take a flat blade screwdriver and get that back to center. And once you do that, it'll work. Okay, get it connected, secure all the wires, and all the connectors will be pre-made. Now one final thing is adjusting lights. You'll need an 11mm wrench